I started this DIY by painting 2 wall plaques that I purchased at Dollar Tree with Rust-Oleum spray paint in rustic pink. Then I removed 2 Dollar Tree mirrors from the frame using a small box cutter. Next, I used Gorilla Hot Glue to attach my small mirror to my wall plaque. Then I placed wall decals that I purchased at Dollar Tree to my plaque as well. I used white acrylic paint that I purchased at Dollar Tree to trim my plaque using a small brush. I removed the film from my wall decals. To hang my wall plaques, I used blush pink mesh ribbon that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I cut 2 even pieces. I pushed each end through each hole. I tied a knot and I secured it with Gorilla Hot Glue. Once I got my ribbon attached, this project was complete. Next, I'll show you what they look like once I put them on the wall. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.